how to make brown eyes pop using makeup. Remember I told you guys to look into your colors and know your colors? Well, this comes into play now. So it's really kind of a lot to talk about. You have complementary colors. You have so many different types of colors. You have abstract colors. You could use this for anything really, but today we're talking about eyes. And the color wheel, beautiful color wheel that I'm showing somewhere right here, you want to look at what complements what, right? The colors that I'm going to be talking about specifically are analogous and complementary colors. These two colors are the polar opposites. So if you're into astrology, you know the polar opposite sign. Same thing with the complementary colors. These colors can show you directly what suits you. So basically you'd want to look where the red and the red orange is, and maybe like a little bit of the orange tone for brown colored eyes. Okay, and when you look at those, look at the polar opposites of each of those slots. So you have your blue green, you have green, and you have blue. So anything within those fields will kind of like pop. Okay, now if you kind of want to have fun and have those looks where your eyes look like a sunset or something like that, you might want to do like an analogous theme. So you would look at the colors that are side by side to the closest colors of your eyes, or so you get away with maybe like one of those violets, one of those red violets, or a slate yellow, but I would probably steer more towards like the violets and the reds and the purples. And here are a few examples of looks with these colors that I'm mentioning, and you can incorporate it with your eyeliner, your eyeshadow, a small pop of mascara with the color, anything like that gives you a little bit more detail in edge. Brown eyes are pretty forgiving and beautiful. If you're interested in seeing any other eye color shades or how to get your makeup to look on point using this color wheel and this color theory, please follow. It's going to be in a series and you can watch them all, or the one that's catered to your eye color. See you on the next one. Bye.